Today, we're going to look at 3 grammar forms that are very confusing. These are used to, be used to, and get used to. They look similar, but the meanings are completely different. Okay, so let's go. Used to describes past habits or past states that are not true anymore. For example, something you did as a child but don't do now as an adult. The negative form is I didn't used to like coffee. A very formal, old-fashioned and rarely used way is I used not to like coffee. However, most native speakers today, we don't really like to use used to in the negative, and we'll try to avoid both of these ways because they don't feel very natural. We'll often say, I never used to like coffee, for example. Be used to means you are comfortable with something or something feels normal to you. We use it with a noun or the ing form of a verb. It's never used with the infinitive. The negative form is I'm not used to something. Get used to is always used with a noun or ing form. It means you are in the process of becoming comfortable with something. You're not fully comfortable yet, but you are adapting. Okay, everyone, I hope this was useful. Make your own sentences and leave them in the comments below for us to see. Okay, bye bye.